What are the causes of psychological disorders or mental disorders? Why people suffer mental disorders, right? The first one is a biological reason. So biological factor is your brain wiring, your structure of brain. You had an injury on brain. There are some chemicals called as neurotransmitters in brain. That secretion is low or high. That's why you are having a particular disorder. So it is a biological model, right? That you had some issues with the brain and that is leading to any kind of psychological disorder. For example, a person who had an accident and had a head injury, some of the part of the brain was damaged. So that's why now they are suffering from a particular disorder because they were not able to secrete some of the neurotransmitters, right? Second is environmental factors. Now, environmental factors, also known as societal factors, is that in your childhood you were abused, right? There was a stressful life event, you lost someone, it can be related to your relationship also, right? So that leads to a psychological disorder. So a person who is abused mentally and physically during childhood, they might suffer depression, post-traumatic stress disorder, or any other kind of disorders when they grow up. So that is our environmental or social factor. Last is psychological factors. Now, psychological factors are related to our coping mechanisms. So we have developed our brain and psychology in such a way that is maladaptive to us. For example, I convert my aggression into my known ones, right? Psychological factors are when I have created a particular belief in my mind and then I'm continuing it. For example, if I have negative thoughts, right, about anyone, I wash my hands multiple times. So that is OCD. That creates OCD in my mind, right? So this can be related to behavior, learning experiences, or any coping mechanism that I have developed.